Hello everyone, welcome to the Revit Academy, and today's session is going to be on how to create extrusions in Revit. So you're going to have to click on the components drop down box, click on model in place, choose the category that you want to assign your extrusion to. So I'm going to click on the generic model just for illustration purposes only. Give it a name, press OK. First step is going to be, you can either set the plane, or you can click on extrusion then set the plane. It's up to you. You can choose whatever level you want, or you can pick plane manually yourself, either on the side or on the top of the surface. Let's go for the top. You can draw a square, circle, whatever shape you want. If you do all of this, if you do all of the extrusions in one go, they'll be all responding to the same movement. Whereas if you do it individually, it's going to be like an instance parameter. I forgot, yeah, you also can apply material to it as well. So if whatever material you want to add, you can apply material to it as well. You can change the dimensions by adding in the values, required values that you need, whatever value you want. So yeah, there you go. This is how you create an extrusion. I hope this video has helped you out a lot. And if you want more videos, if you want to see more videos, can you please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell button so you get alerted for each time I upload a video. And also, can you please like, comment and share, please. Hitting the like button will increase the algorithm of the channel and will get the video out there to people that need to see this video. So please hit the like button as well, that'll be much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.